Welcome to this tutorial on creating news items in Desire to Learn version 10.2. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in under the news widget here. So when you're ready to create your news items, you would just log into your course, and there's a couple options here. You can create this link here that says create a new news item if this is your first time going on and creating a news item for this course. Or if you have previous news items created, what you can do is just go in under this action item here, and you can just select this second link here titled New News Item. So if we select that, it'll bring us into this area where we can put in a headline, and we can put in something like Welcome to the class. So this would be maybe an introduction a news item for the students because it's the first week of classes. And we can just put in something like Welcome to the class, everyone. Please read chapter 1 and come to class prepared to discuss it on Monday, for example. And you can just sign it with your name. And under the availability here, after we've created our news item, we can go on and we can set the availability dates. So this is just the start date that the news item is going to show. So what you can do is you can actually create news items and have the start date at some time in the future. And you can also put in an end date. So for example, if this is a note for my class, for example, for the first week of the term, well, maybe I only want it to show for the first week. So maybe I want it to show till either Friday or maybe Monday. I'll have it show till Monday. So Monday at 1 a.m., for example, we'll have it just basically end at that time. So what it'll do is it'll just be removed from the student's news area so that their news area isn't getting clogged up with news items for this course. Now next to the attachments here, what you can do is you can add a file. So one thing I will show you is that when you go on to add a file, you would just go and select a file. So I just pressed it. So what you can do is you can add an attachment from your computer, from your own course, and there's a various your group lockers or a locker if you had it, some course offering files. So there's a various options there where you can add an attachment to this news item for the students to see. You can also record audio messages. In the near future as well, we're going to have a feature where you can record video messages. So just keep your eye out for that. That'll be coming very shortly as well. And the video and audio messages, you can record about 1 minute of video or audio. You can attach release conditions. So a release condition for this news item might be the students have to go on and complete a quiz or submit to a Dropbox, or maybe go on and reply to a discussion topic or something like that. So at any time you can go on and you can create and attach release conditions, or if you already have created some release conditions, you can attach some existing ones. And then once you're ready, you can go on and you can publish it. So we're just going to press the publish button. And so it's created it. So when I go in under my course homepage here, you can see under the news widget here, we have our new note that says welcome to the class with our message to the students. So this concludes the tutorial on creating news items in Desire to Learn version 10.2.